Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash easy step by step. Start by mastering the basic tap or click timing, practice short segments in practice mode, and learn to recognize simple spike and jump patterns. Keep sessions short, focus on one obstacle at a time, and repeat until muscle memory forms. Stay relaxed, listen to the rhythm, and build confidence gradually as your accuracy improves. Rhythm is your best friend in Geometry Dash easy step by step, so tune into each level's beat and let it guide your taps. Start slow to map obstacles to specific beats, then gradually speed up while keeping accuracy. Use mental counting or subtle finger taps to mark timing, and rehearse short loops until timing feels natural. This approach reduces panic and helps you clear sequences consistently during full runs. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more players improve. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long practice sessions and fits easily beside your device for no spills. I find a steady sip helps maintain rhythm and focus, so check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on learning predictable patterns and small mechanical tricks to boost success in Geometry Dash easy step by step. Memorize repeated sequences so decision-making becomes automatic, and practice precise tap lengths for different jump sizes. Watch short-level replays to spot safer routes and timing cues. Build from tiny wins, mixing slow practice with occasional full runs to test recall under pressure and keep frustration low while skills improve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.